To find the New York Times through ProQuest, you have to go to the Brooklyn Tech High School Library website, click on the databases link, and enter the password. Once you get to ProQuest, you can search publications. We're looking for the New York Times. And then you see this is the East Coast edition. Today's paper will be available all the way back through 1980. So this is showing you the first issue is today's paper, and you can look and browse the articles there. You can search a writer, you can search by article title, and you can go back by date here. If you are looking for, say you're looking for op-ed pieces, you can type in op-ed. So that's how to do it. If you have questions, ask one of the librarians at library@bths.edu.